In this segment, we'll look at building a formula that will find the average of two columns, in this case columns B and column C, and we want the results to be placed in column D. So to begin with, I'll click in the first open cell in column D, and right there, and make sure that that cell now has the highlighted frame. And what I want to do is tell Excel that I'm getting ready to enter a formula. The shortcut for that is to begin the entry with an equal sign. So I press the equal sign, and you'll notice that up in the top the formula bar has changed its appearance a little bit, but don't worry about that for now. The formula has been begun, and the formula we want is average, and this is a built-in function, so we're going to type A-V-E-R-A-G-E and then open a parentheses to begin telling Excel what we want the averages of. As soon as we open the parentheses, you'll see that Excel responds with a little dialog box here with some hints. And what we want the average of are columns B and C. So what I'll do is I will click and hold in B3 and drag across to C3. Now we could drag any number of cells and Excel would respond with the average, but we just want the average of the first two columns, first row of data. And so we'll now close the parentheses and press enter. This enters that information in cell D3. Now here's the really cool thing with Excel's relative addressing. I can click back in cell D3, and now moving the cursor down from the middle of the cell down to the bottom right hand corner, you'll see that it changes from a large hollow cross to a small plus sign. Not the one with the arrow points on the end, because that would move the cell. We want the plus sign, and we'll click, hold the mouse, and drag down to the bottom of the column. What this will do is copy the cells, but each time it goes down a row, Excel will adjust the formula to also go down a row. So now we have the average of 3.69, and 3.72 is 3.71. The average of 5.20, 5.60 is 5.40, and so forth.